So markets open up in about 1 minute. We're going to be doing some live profit taking because these options are going to be close to worthless because the stock market is up considerably higher today. So we're going to be able to take some profits earlier on in the week and try to see if we can also get into some new positions before the week ends. I'll also be doing some covered call selling on Ford because I didn't do that yesterday. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to find out exactly what I end up trading. So markets just opens. We're going to be selling the American Airlines position, which we are currently up 78%, $39. So this is a really good trade that only took me 2 days to get. So I'll go ahead and actually we have to buy it back because this is a short position. And let me just check something real quick. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and click buy back one share because that's what we had. And we're going to go ahead and buy it back right at the bid, which is 10. Hold up, we might be able to get it for $9 right here. So let's see, $9, and this should execute fairly quickly. There we go, $9. So we bought that back at $9 and we profited the difference. So now we're gonna go ahead and exit the MGM position, which is also close to 0. And remember guys, I'm selling these, I'm the option seller in these options, so I want the price of the option to go down to 0. So on this one, we're up 35% or $34, which is 80%. Today's return is $8. So we're also going to go ahead and buy this one back, buy one contract. It's going to be trading for around $5 to $7. We'll buy it right in the middle at around $6 and see if this fills. It should fill right away because it's in the middle of the bid. But let's see, we're going to go ahead and move on and come back to this one a little bit later. The next thing, I'm actually going to keep the IVR put sell because that's considerably out of the money. So we're going to hopefully get that one all the way to 0. And the next one, we're going to go ahead and try to sell a covered call on Ford. We're currently down a little bit on this one, but not too much of a problem because my actual average cost on this one is $7.85 because I sold a naked put option last week. So it's right around our cost basis. We're going to go ahead and trade options. And I'm going to go ahead and sell the $7 call for about $10 right now, which is trading right around 12. So I'm going to go ahead and click buy or sell one covered call. And we're going to try to sell it at, actually, we'll just sell it at 0.11. I actually don't care too much about getting that much premium because we already have the shares as collateral. So we're just going to go ahead and put in the order for $11 premium on this $7 call for this upcoming Friday. Let's just click review and submit that order and should execute fairly quickly. There we go. We actually got a total credit of $12, so it executed $1 above that. So that's pretty cool. So now we have a one covered call, and so we're gonna go ahead and see what we can do with the MGM position because it seems like it's not executing. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this order. I think we're like $1 off, so I'm not really gonna make a huge deal about having to take $1 less. So we're gonna go ahead and click and switch that to 0.7 and try to see if we can buy it back at $7. Hopefully it gets executed. I'm just going to go ahead and cut to when it does get executed because I don't want to make this video too long. We already have everything set in place and our current buying power is $2,000, but once this MGM put gets executed, we should have close to 3,700, and we're already up close to 2% for the week because last week we ended right around I think, where did we end off? We ended right around 4,620, and we're already up to 4,755. So we're up close to around 2 to 3%. So that's pretty good for only being Tuesday. And you know, my weekly goal is trying to get at least 1% trading using the wheel strategy. That's exactly what we've been doing. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward. Oh, actually I don't have the fast forward because it looks like the MGM position just got executed. Yeah, there we go. Our buying power is now 3,799. Let me just go ahead and check the trading history to make sure it did exactly get executed. And there we go. See, it said it got executed at a minimum price of 0.06. So that actually worked out in our favor because it actually did end up executing at $6 instead of $7. So overall, pretty good start for the week. I'm gonna try to see if I can get into some other options which I can sell, but overall I really wouldn't be mad if this is where we end off the week, because like I said, we already hit our goal of 1% a week. So now we're just gonna have to wait and see if we do find anything else to trade during this week. But that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.